What if I told you this smoker can cook 6 briskets at once, hit 700 degrees, and still hold temperature within a few degrees all night long? Sounds like marketing hype, but the Recteq Flagship 1600 might actually be one of the most impressive pellet grills of 2026. The Flagship 1600 isn't just big, it's massive. With 1,667 square inches of cooking space, you can fit 240 wings, 16 racks of ribs, or 6 full briskets on this beast. That's backyard barbecue on a commercial scale. But size isn't the real story. This grill runs from 180 degrees to 700 degrees, meaning it can smoke low and slow, sear steaks, bake pizzas, and even roast like an outdoor oven. Inside, you're getting stainless steel grates, a stainless fire pot, cast iron heat deflector, and a huge 40-pound hopper capable of around 40 hours of cooking. Independent reviewers found extremely even heat across the cooking surface, while owners consistently praise its build quality, temperature control, and smoke flavor. Now for the downsides. It's heavy, expensive, takes effort to assemble, and some users report Wi-Fi setup frustrations. But if you're serious about barbecue, those complaints seem minor compared to what you're getting. So here's the real question. Do you buy the cheaper grill you'll replace in a few years, or the tank that's built to dominate your backyard for the next decade? The Recteq Flagship 1600 isn't for everyone, but for barbecue fanatics, this thing might be the smoker to beat. Follow for more brutally honest grill reviews before you spend your money.